Tara, mamis, usap tayo. Alam niyo ba, before becoming a mom, I had so many opinions. Then, I became one. And motherhood really humbled me. I used to think that becoming a mom, dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. Then I had two kids, and now motherhood completely changed my mind about certain things. Number one is every child is different. I used to think that there was one right way to parent a child. And then I had Lance and I had Kenzo, and they're two very different kids. Like, Lance is the more malambing one, but also very makulit. Kenzo is the more impatient one, yet also malambing, but in a different way. Even sa food, magkaiba siya ng gusto. One loves to eat sweets. The other one naman, mas mahilig sa mga rice. Talagang rice is life. Yung isa, mahilig sa music. Yung isa naman, mahilig sumayaw. Diba? So, parang similar but different. Then, that made me realize na yung liking nila, yung mga hilig nila, yung hobbies nila are different, but more so yung kanilang ugali. That's why parenting them also takes different styles and different approaches, even sa discipline. Kaya magkaibang-magkaiba ang bawat bata. That's why it's really very important for us parents to really get to know our child. That way, alam natin what will work for them in terms of communicating with them, disciplining them, and praising them and supporting them. And hindi tayo yung parang one size fits all na by the book, because what may work for one child may not work for the other. Kaya dyan ako nag-advocate rin talaga ng family planning. Kasi how would you parent 10 kids? May time ka pa bang kilalanin sila? 'Di ba? Just my hot take there. And I'm just putting it out there. Number two is asking for help is not a weakness. I thought before that good moms are the super moms. Hanggang ngayon naman, I would still call ourselves super moms or super moms, as I would always say. Kasi naman we get to really juggle everything from managing the home, the kids, and then we take care of our husbands then, ourselves, diba? Being last na siguro. So really, we do so many things and we wear so many hats. But you know what? Being able to humbly ask for help and admit na hindi ko to kaya mag-isa really takes a lot of courage, and that's not bad at all. Especially if you're like me na meron kang mga neurodivergent kids, because it really takes a village to be able to raise them well, and you wouldn't be able to survive it if you'll do it on your own. Burn out ka talaga for sure. So ask for help. That's totally